Work was shared and meet the same. Voices gathered, choices made by age and trust, not by trade. No ramp was fixed, no row was sealed. Respect was earned and what you yielded. The book was small, the balance thick. Equality lived in closeness then. Stores go full and stores grew deep, grain to keep and tools to heal. With surplus came the need to guard, to can't divide and fan it hard. Some watched more, some left the plow, some spoke first, the council now. Difference moved from past to task, from who could do which growing up. Part of forest left, leadership moved from guide to gate, deciding access, timing fit. The voice of once persuaded all, now backed by rule, by wall, by call. Power stayed where surplus stayed, and difference learned how to be paid. Roads were built and conflicts paled, but distance rose where closeness stood between the ruler and the ruled. Security gained, voice was lost. Efficiency came with cost. No single truth, no simple view, just trade-offs humans live in too. Step by step the lines we made, we shake but never quite the same. Titles change, the banner stays, the ancient fields, the modern days. But hierarchy is not a sin, not perfect tool, we live with it. It is a structure history grew from human need. choices